Okay guys, welcome to my new video, how to get unlimited free traffic to your affiliate link for free using video marketing. On this video, we will use a vid.me website. This is like YouTube, and I will show you how exactly you can get unlimited traffic from this website for a free using free method. Okay, so first, why vid.me? I will show you why I am using this website. So if you go to Google and type daily visitors from vid.me, you can go to here, Alexa. So let's visit alexa.com. So you can see unlimited traffic from USA, United Kingdom, Canada, Germany, Australia. Okay, unlimited traffic from USA, unlimited vid.me get traffic from Reddit, YouTube, and Google and Facebook. Okay, let's go back and visit a similar web. Okay, so you can see country rank, unlimited from USA. This is fantastic. Okay, vid.me, this is the website, and this website getting unlimited traffic from USA, of course, also worldwide traffic. This website in April look at this, over 11 million visitors, of course worldwide traffic and USA traffic. You can see here total visitors, over 11 million visitors. USA, United Kingdom, Canada, French, Germany. You can see unlimited traffic from USA. Referrals, vid.me getting traffic from YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, and more like you see here. Okay, unlimited traffic from Reddit and YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and VK, not K. Okay, you get the point. So vid.me, you can use it for free to get traffic to your affiliate link. Okay, you can promote anything using this website like I do. Let's go to my let's go to my channel, my videos. Okay, this is a new videos that I upload today, but you can see I am getting traffic. Okay, this is not 1,000 of traffic, but I am getting traffic. It's for free for life. Okay, You can see unlimited traffic I am getting from this website all the time. Okay, so how this work? First, you need videos. So I will show you how you can get unlimited videos to use for free, of course. So how to get videos? You can go to youtube.makingmoneyacademy. I will show you the link. This is the link. Okay. You can visit this website, youtube.makingmoneyacademy.net, and you will get unlimited videos that you can use to upload to vid.me. It's for free. Okay, you can find here over 50 videos, and you can use it for free. You can promote anything using this strategy. Okay, this strategy, name it, is video marketing. I am using this strategy long time. Of course, I am using this strategy not only on YouTube and VidMe. I am promoting my videos and getting traffic from unlimited video marketing. Okay, you can go to Google and type share video online. Okay, so you can get unlimited website that you can share your videos. You can use Vimeo. Okay, Vimeo. You can use, let's see, Dailymotion. Okay, you can use, there is unlimited, right? Okay, you can find unlimited. Let's visit this website. Share your videos online. Okay, so you can find unlimited. You can use Meta Cafe. This website, you can upload your videos and share it for free and get free traffic. Of course, there is more. Okay, you get the point. Okay, you can find unlimited shares video online and share your video and get traffic to your links or affiliate links or any CPA offer. Okay, so after you download package number 1, okay, when you make a free account with vid.me, you can go here to upload. You will get this window. You can see here, choose a video or GIF file. Let's click it. and I will choose this package, and I can upload all this video on the same time. Okay, I will use all of them and click open. Okay, now you can see my videos, four videos that I am uploading now. Then you can see you have to public this video like here. Okay, so let's click here and share on VidMe and save change and close. Share, save, close. And this video, share, save, close. Share, save, close. Now, very important, something that you have to do is to put your link. Okay, this is very important. So when your video is finished to upload, you have to visit, open on a new Windows. Okay, this is still processing, so let's give it more time. Okay, but I will show you the video that I already upload. Let's visit this video. Open on a new Windows. Okay, you have here a menu, and you can get here more. Okay, more. Click here. Okay, guys, welcome. Click here. You have more and edit video. Okay, you have edit video, so click edit video, and all you have to do is put your link here. Okay, like this. Okay, like this, and click save and close. That's all you have to do. Okay, you have to do this for every video you upload to your vid.me. Okay, let's close this and go to another video. Let's open this video on new window, and the same thing, go to here more and edit. Okay, my friend, video. Welcome back to my new video. Sorry, one more time, click more, edit video, and put your link and click save and close. Okay, my friend, so that's all you have to do is upload videos to vid.me and get free traffic for life all the time. Very important to upload videos, one package or two package every single day. Okay, you can upload two package every single day, and very important, don't forget to put your affiliate link below every video. Okay, like I said, you can promote anything. You can promote PaySpree affiliate links. You can promote ClickBank network, a Max Bounty network, Warrior Plus affiliate program. You can promote anything, everything. Sorry, you can promote everything using this strategy. You don't have to work hard. All you have to do is upload two package every single day and upload to bit.me and get free traffic for life. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any question, please comment your question below this video. Please share this video. I will appreciate that. Thank you again and have a good day. Thank you very much.